In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build AI agents in N8N. By the end, you'll have a simple agent up and running that you can test instantly, and you'll understand the key settings that make it reliable and useful. First, open your N8N workspace and head to the Workflows area. Create a new workflow, giving yourself a clean canvas. To make testing easy, add a manual trigger. This lets you run the workflow on demand while you build, so you can iterate quickly without waiting on external events. Next, add a new node and open the AI category. Choose AI agent. Think of this as the brain of your workflow. It accepts instructions, can call tools you allow, and returns structured results. In the agent settings, set the source for the prompt to user message. For now, type a clear, single-purpose instruction you want the agent to follow, such as answering a question, summarizing text, or extracting fields. The clearer the instruction, the better the result. If you want consistent, machine-friendly output, turn on Require Specific Output Format. This helps the agent stick to, for example, JSON or a specific schema, which is great when other nodes will parse the result. If you ever see inconsistent responses, this switch is your friend. Enable a fallback model as well. This adds resilience. If your primary model is unavailable or reaches limits, the agent automatically tries a backup, keeping your workflow running instead of failing unexpectedly. Open Options, then click Add Options to fine-tune behavior. Typical adjustments include temperature for creativity, maximum tokens to control response length, or timeouts for long-running calls. Start with defaults, then tweak as you observe real outputs. Now run. Execute to test the agent with your prompt. Watch the output panel to confirm you're getting the shape and content you expect. If not, refine your prompt or tighten the required format until it's consistent. To power the agent, add a chat model node and choose the model provider you've already configured in N8N. Connect it to the agent so the agent has a language model to think with. Finally, choose the tools the agent can use. Tools let the agent take actions, things like calling APIs, performing lookups, or transforming data. Enable only what the use case needs to keep behavior focused and predictable. That's it. You've created a testable AI agent, set up reliable output, added resilience with a fallback model, and connected it to a chat model and tools. Tweak prompts, options, and tools as your use case evolves, and you'll have a flexible, production-ready agent in no time.